Let's break down the top 5 powered bath lifts brought to you by Rehabmart.com. Starting us off at number 5 is the Archimedes Bath Lift from Mangar. One of the most affordable lifts on this list, the Archimedes is designed to sit all the way in the back of the tub, giving users more legroom than most bath lifts. Its safety features include heavy-duty suction cups and a battery that won't lower if there isn't enough power to also raise back up. That said, a fixed back and that powerful suction make the Archimedes best when kept in place. Next up at number 4 is the BellaVita lightweight automatic reclining bath lift from Drive Medical. The BellaVita's simple, elegant design lowers users deeper into the tub than any other lift on this list, then reclines to create a more natural bathing experience. At just 20 pounds and with the ability to easily fold up, the BellaVita is quite portable, though that reclining, portable design does sacrifice some legroom in the tub. Coming in at number 3 is the AQUATEC battery-powered bath lift from Clark Healthcare. With options for standard tubs, garden tubs, higher weight capacities, and even reclining lateral supports, AQUATEC has a lift for almost every use case. Its advanced reclining design doesn't sacrifice legroom, and its removable seat cover is machine washable for easy cleaning. All those options and great functionality do make the AQUATEC the most expensive bath lift on this list. Snagging the number 2 slot is the LUMEX Splash Ultralight Bath Lift. At just 14 pounds, the Splash is the lightest lift on this list, making it the best choice if you intend to move it regularly. Its fixed back maximizes legroom in the tub, while its practically seamless design makes it very easy to clean. That said, the Splash only works with smooth surfaces and doesn't lower quite as deep as the other lifts on this list. Finally, our pick for the number 1 slot goes to the AQUATEC ORCA F Bath Lift with fixed backrest from Clark Healthcare. The ORCA whittles down the most important features to become the most affordable lift on this list. Its ergonomic, waterproof, and floating control make the ORCA as easy to operate as it is to clean. And its fixed back maximizes legroom, while the seat manages to lower users to just 2.5 inches from the bottom of the tub.